Do you know it takes only 10 minutes to get your business verified and listed in Google? There is no need to wait for a postcard for months anymore. All you have to do is to record a short video. In 5 simple steps, you can get your video verification done. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan your video. It is best to be outside of your building at the start of the video because the first thing Google will want to see is the street view. To effectively plan your video, follow these steps. Showcase the signage outside your office because they will want to see the face of your building, building address, and business signage. If your logo is near the actual address, that is ideal. If you do not have a storefront or operate the business at your home address where you do not meet customers, then show your company car or van that has your business name on it. If you have special equipment, you should show it in the video. Have a business card handy with your office address on it. Be ready to show some proper documentation like a license, utility bill, property tax records or rental lease payment, proof of address from a bank statement or income tax filing in your business name. Any official document that have your business name and address on it can be used as a proof for Google that your business exists. Avoid capturing faces and sensitive documents in your recording. The company and the address must be visible on whatever you are showing on the video. Please note that the company name and address you are showing must be the same as the company name and address that will be in the listing. Step 2. Once you have the plan and are ready to record the video using your mobile device, go to Google Maps app. On Google Maps, simply tap on Business on the bottom right corner. Step 3. Click Verify Now and you will see the video recording button. Step 4. Tap Start Recording. Follow the plan and record your video. Step 5. Click on Stop Recording after you are done and upload it. Google reviews your video within 5 working days, and you get a notification if verification is successful. It's that easy.